Hello fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the RELIFE Rebuild Your Life Power Tower, a versatile and robust workout station designed to transform your home gym experience. Supporting up to 450 pounds, this power tower ensures stability with its safety lock nut and 4 sturdy suction cups, allowing you to perform pull-ups, push-ups, chin-ups, and dips with confidence. Its multifunctional design caters to a variety of exercises, helping you build triceps, chest, and shoulder muscles, while the adjustable handle with 3 armrest levels ensures comfort for all users during strength training. With 9 adjustable heights, including a setting for children, this pull-up bar is perfect for the entire family, and its reinforced steel tubing enhances durability and safety. The compact design makes it ideal for home gyms with limited space, and assembly is a breeze. Plus, with a 1-year warranty on the frame and a lifetime warranty on all other materials, you can focus on your fitness goals without worry. If you have any questions, their responsive customer service is ready to assist within 12 hours. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.